What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to get a helicopter without paying for it on some marine game. This is Daryl Collins, and this is how to find the helicopter. Okay, so get in your car and you drive down this road. Oh, by the way, this is where your base is. So, yeah, so you go down this road, the bumpy road, and then take a little right, and then you go left this road, and go this way, going all the way straight, then keep on going till you, okay, so you see this train track right here? Okay, you get on that, and you just follow it down the road, and then it intersects, and then just keep on going straight behind these trees and all that, and then then you take a left on the other track. Right here you go past the battle area, and you keep going straight for a little bit. Keep on going. You're gonna pass by this train station area. You keep on going. And you keep on going. Then you get right here, and it goes straight or turn left. You want to turn left down this way, and then you just want to keep on following the track, not so long. Right here where this road goes, go right here, just keep on driving down. So right now you want to be off the track where the road is now. So you're going down, and then you keep on going. Just follow the road. They're gonna be North Korean shooting at you, but don't worry. And then you go up this way, but slow down because you will end up in the water. Okay, you go this way. Keep going straight for a little, and then you turn by where the water is. There you go, and then there's the helicopter sitting right there on the side. So you get out by pushing the Y button on the Xbox, just plain old Xbox. Then you get in and you hit Y, and then it tells you how to drive it, fly, whatever, and that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will be posting more videos how to do stuff. My next one is a secret area. So, bye.